everyone, got a 2023 Hyundai Telluride key fob here. I'm going to show you how to open it to replace the remote battery. Alright, so with the key fob here, it's super duper easy to open up. If we turn it over, just like this, if you look down in here, there's a little slot, and that little slot is for your flathead screwdriver. I'm going to stick it right in here, and actually just pry this back handle off, okay? And I just want to make sure you have the right side, okay? Just like that. Here's the battery, and all we got to do is slide it out from the bottom to the top like this. You can use your screwdriver, just be careful not to rub it all over the circuit board, okay? Just kind of like that, and I'll show you what size the battery is. It's a big battery. It's a CR2450 with the positive sign facing out towards us. It goes right back in the holder and it slides right back down. There's a positive sign right here also. If you need a battery, you need the size again, check the description box. I have a link to actually Amazon where you can pick up the battery. So you just get the back cover, stick it on here, start at the top, work your way down, snap it together, and you're all done. Well, hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you'd hit that like button for me. Leave me a comment, and I hope to see you again in another video.